150-watt portable power station. And right now I'm using it for my mini air compressor because I need to put air into my tire. And as you can see, oh my God, I can't believe how quick this mini air compressor puts air into my tires. So I'm just going to take this off and then I'm going to give you a look at it. I love this little fella. I know it's the most popular out of all of the power stations, and I can see why. Okay. Now let me give you a closer look. Oh my Lord. I could use this as a skipping rope. Now I've already done a review on this mini air compressor, which I gave 10 out of 10. And today I'm going to give this little fella 10 out of 10 as well. So as you can see, that's how I've joined the air compressor. I'll try to put this back in the van. So when you buy the air compressor, it comes up with this, which you put into one of those ports. There's 2 ports. And it comes with a charging cable, which goes into here. I haven't got that with me at the moment, but I can show you that another time. It's also got a light, 2 light modes, high and low. I've got DC, AC, and it shows you your power here. Now at the front here, you've got this for the AC, and 2 USBs, as well as, look at that, oh my God. I'm so happy with this. I'm so excited to brag about it. I mean, like I said, it's the most popular. It's not too heavy. Hello, darling. Kelly, say hello. She's interested in doing her own thing. It's not too heavy. It's a little bit, but it's quite comfortable to carry. And I use this for everything, for charging my phones, my fans, my laptop, you name it. As you saw, I also use this for my uni. Come here, puppy. Oh. Hello, puppy. Say hello. Mummy's going to turn you into a YouTube star. Say hello. Yeah, Kelly's helping me make the video today. You pretty girl. There you go. There you go. Good girl. You go sit in the shade where it's cool. Yeah, she's my baby. And as you also saw, I use this for my mini air compressor. And I also use it for my 12-volt kettle in my van too. Now, like for example, when I'm parked and I haven't got the engine running, instead of plugging my kettle into the cigarette lighter, I just use this, which is so convenient. And another reason why I prefer to use this for my mini air compressor instead of putting that into the cigarette lighter is because when you plug the mini air compressor into the cigarette lighter, even though it's got a long lead, you still have to go right around the van. Whereas with this, I don't have to worry about that. It's just so much more convenient in so many ways. It doesn't take up any space. And as you know with your vans, you need all the space you can get. And this does not take up any space at all. And you don't have to worry about weight either, because as you know, weight is another factor when it comes to vans. And because it's not that heavy, it's also good, because as you know, the more weight you have in your van, the more gas you're going to be using. And not only that, you also have a certain amount of weight that you're not allowed to go over as well. So I don't have to worry about all of those things with this. I can see why it's the most popular. I bought this from Amazon for $200. I got it on special. I think the normal price is about $250 or $260. But you can buy this on Amazon. And it's well worth the money. And I absolutely recommend these. I'm going to give it 10 out of 10 again. I'm glad I bought this thing. It is a lifesaver in so many ways. I'm just going to the store for a minute. And take that out the way. And I have my fan here, so I've just put that into there. Turn on the DC. And this is one of my fans that I use in my van, and I love this fan. It's really cool. Look at that. And what I like to do is I like to charge this when I'm driving, meaning using the cigarette lighter. It's so cool. Ah, so nice. Callie, what are you doing? You better not jump over that fence. Okay, so that's mine. No, come here, puppy. Come here. Come here. Oh, well. Let her go and do her own thing. As long as she's staying in the yard and not jumping over the fence, that's all that matters. Isn't that right, Callie? Yes, she knows. Okay, so that is my review for today for the 150 watt portable power station from Amazon. Woohoo! I absolutely recommend it. Like I said, I'm going to give it 10 out of 10. It's well worth the money. If you can get it on special like I did, oh, voila, even better. Because I love getting bargains like that on special. Because if you can save a little bit of money at the same time, it's a win-win. Isn't that right? Okay, so I think that's about it for today. I'm going to go and do some work on my van and add some touches to the final touches to my van conversion. And it's quite warm today, which is nice, and it's really good. Okay, I'm really happy with this review. I'm so glad I got to show you that. Remember, buy them on Amazon. Anything that's 150 watt, I'll correct myself. Anything that's 150 watt, you can use on that portable power station. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm so glad to see you all again. Now remember, everyone, please take care and drive safely. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone.